from Miami, I arrived to my hotel, which is Hilton Miami Downtown. So far it looks pretty good. I'm already in reception and going to do check-in. So let's check in and explore. Hi travelers! I am Mats and welcome to Travel with me, your go-to guide for all travel things. I have been lucky enough to explore numerous countries and now I am sharing my tips, experience and favorite places with you. So hit that subscribe button and let's explore the world together. This is reception. It looks nice and modern. They do have some gift shop here if you need some gifts or some souvenirs. You can buy it here. You have information here about restaurants. This is the room, and starting with a bathroom, we have a sink here. Oh, they need to clean this properly. Yeah, so we have a makeup removal wipes, nice. Yeah, mirror needs some cleaning as well. A toilet and a bath with shower. So far, I think this is kind of oldish hotel. If you are from Europe, it's different. American hotels are slightly different than Europe, so standard might be different. I'm not saying it's like worst, but they have different style. But yeah, this room is not really clean. It's not clean properly. It's clean, but yeah, here we have some marks as well. A bedroom, nice bed, TV, complimentary water. We have fridge here, empty, yes. Cool. And we have some coffee and tea here. Nice. There is a sofa. This room can accommodate up to 3 adults. I think this sofa seen better days, but it's fine. And we have actually bay view. It's cloudy day today here in Miami. Hopefully it's going to be nicer tomorrow. The view is nice. And I guess we can open a window, or maybe no. This is what I don't really like in some hotels, because then a room can be smelly. This is actually fine, I'm not complaining, it smells alright. Some pieces needs to be cleaned better, but otherwise it's fine. I will let you know the price at the end of the video. This is the pool. It's small, but at least beds looks comfortable. You can take towel over there. Actually, on the website it says they have rooftop pool, but I think they mean this. I really thought they will have a pool somewhere in the top, but no. We are having a breakfast in Marriott Hotel. It's actually a la carte. Rad, he got salmon with bagel, and I have avocado toast plus coffee and orange juice. Enjoy! So we already checked out from Hilton Downtown Hotel. We are still here by the pool because we have some time. It was actually alright stay. It's a little bit oldish. Rooms need to be like deep clean, but otherwise it's not too bad. Location is really good. You have near metro mover, bus stations, etc. Also some groceries, so it's fine. We paid $130 per night per room for 2 adults without breakfast, but because we are Hilton Honor members, we got $30 per night credit, which we can use here either for breakfast or some drinks, food, etc., which is fine. Would I stay here again? Probably yes. It's good location, especially if you go for cruising. It's absolutely perfect. I know they offer some transfer to port. I am not really sure how much is it because we will take Uber, but definitely if you ask in a reception, they might help you with organizing transfer to port. So yeah, it's cheaper option. It's in downtown, so everything is here. There is a pool, so good. That's it for today. Hopefully you like this video. If you do, please smash like button or consider subscribing. It will help my channel. Take care, stay safe, and see you later.